Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that transferring assets securely is key. Today, we're tackling how to send Avalanche from your Tangem wallet to Kraken. This step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and safe, so you can move your Avalanche tokens without any hassle. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device and that your wallet is properly set up and funded with Avalanche. It's 2025, so double-check that you're using the latest app version for the best security features. Once that's sorted, open the app and unlock your wallet using your PIN, biometric authentication, or whatever method you set up. Security is paramount in crypto, so always use a secure connection. Next, navigate to your asset list and select Avalanche. You'll see your balance. Great job holding onto that AVAX. Now, hit the Send or Transfer button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Kraken account, go to the deposit section, and select Avalanche. Kraken will provide you with a unique deposit address. Copy that carefully to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Enter the amount you want to send, but remember to account for network fees. In 2025, Avalanche's network is super fast, but fees can vary based on congestion. Review the transaction details thoroughly. Double-check the address, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, confirm and sign the transaction using your Tangem Wallet's secure method. You'll get a confirmation on screen. Keep an eye on it. Once sent, the transaction should process quickly on the Avalanche network. Head back to Kraken and check your account to confirm the deposit. If you run into any issues, Kraken's support is usually helpful, but always verify everything yourself. And there you have it. That's how you send Avalanche from your Tangem wallet to Kraken in 2025. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so stay informed and never send more than you're comfortable with. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.